If Windows is flagging the icudt58.dll as missing or corrupted, you're in the right place. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and let's resolve this together. Don't let icudt58 slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the icudt58, part of the International Components for Unicode, v58. This is the data, DT module containing unmanaged localized character set, locale, and localized timezone manifests for modern apps. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Unlike Windows core files, icudt58.dll belongs to the specialized ICU environment, and you must reinstall the software that is failing to load to rebuild the internal library links and stop the error. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the icudt58 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Please use caution. Replacing icudt58.dll manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for icudt58. Thank you for trusting us with icudt58 repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.